Beyond the honeymoon phase, building lasting love. In this journey, we explore the essence of a relationship that stands the test of time. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into transitioning from the honeymoon phase to a deeper, more enduring connection. It's a path filled with growth, understanding, and mutual respect. We all love that initial spark, but real love goes beyond fleeting butterflies. It's about nurturing a bond that grows stronger with each passing day. It's about building a foundation that can weather any storm. This foundation is built on trust, communication, and shared dreams. Stay with me, because the insights we're about to share are your keys to making that happen. Together, we'll uncover the secrets to a love that lasts a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights and tips on building lasting love. Shared dreams, building a future together. One powerful way to deepen your connection is to talk about your shared future. This involves open and honest conversations about where you see yourselves in the coming years. What are your aspirations, individually and as a couple? Discuss your personal goals and how they align with your partner's vision. Do you dream of traveling, building a business, or starting a family? These shared dreams can be the foundation of your future together. Sharing these dreams creates a powerful bond. Talk about timelines, set realistic milestones, and make plans to achieve them. Discuss steps you can take together, whether it's saving money, taking courses, or simply supporting each other through challenges. Hold each other accountable and celebrate your progress. This journey of building a future together strengthens your relationship and brings you closer. Championing each other's growth. Relationships thrive on mutual support and encouragement. Talk about your personal goals and cheer each other on every step of the way. Be each other's biggest fans, offer words of encouragement, and celebrate victories. When you're both striving to be your best selves, you inspire each other and create continuous growth. Weaving your stories together, sharing your pasts deepens intimacy. Talk about your childhoods, favorite traditions, and moments that shaped you. Reminisce about favorite dates, trips, and milestones. As you listen to each other's stories, really listen and show empathy. The power of emotional check-ins. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship, and emotional check-ins are essential. Set aside time to talk about how you're both feeling within the relationship. It's about understanding each other's needs and finding ways to meet them with love and compassion. Finding magic in the everyday. Romance isn't just about grand gestures, it's about finding magic in everyday moments. Share your day-to-day experiences and celebrate small wins together. It says, I see you, I hear you, and I'm here for all of it. The big, the small, and everything in between. Shared passions igniting the spark. Shared interests are like fuel for the fire of your relationship. Make time for shared passions like movies, books, or hobbies. Exploring new interests together creates shared experiences and memories. A relationship needs moments of excitement and discovery to keep the spark alive. Building a foundation of respect. A strong relationship requires a solid foundation of respect. Talk about your values, non-negotiables, and boundaries. Respect isn't just about what you say, it's about how you treat each other, especially during disagreements. The language of gratitude. Never underestimate the power of expressing gratitude for your partner. Make it a habit to express your gratitude regularly, both in words and actions. Small gestures of appreciation can go a long way in strengthening your bond. The danger of comparisons. One of the biggest threats to any relationship is the tendency to compare. Resist the urge to compare your partner to an ex or to some idealized version of perfection. Focus on your own journey and nurture the love you share. Celebrate your differences and embrace your imperfections. Communicating for solutions. Disagreements are inevitable, but it's how you handle them that matters. Avoid bringing up issues without discussing possible solutions. Focus on communicating your needs clearly and respectfully, and be willing to compromise. Outro. Building a love that lasts. The transition from the honeymoon phase is a natural part of any relationship. It's a time when the initial excitement settles and deeper, more meaningful connections begin to form. With open communication and mutual support, you can navigate this transition and emerge with a stronger bond. It's about understanding each other's needs, being patient, and always being there for one another. Choose to love each other through the ups and downs, and never stop nurturing the spark. Remember, love is not just a feeling, but a choice you make every day. Engage in activities that bring you closer, like cooking a meal together or dancing in your living room. These small moments create lasting memories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips and advice. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us create more content to help